Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. I would like to thank today's video sponsor and brand partnership. I never thought I would be saying those words again, really, but for these two people, I would do absolutely anything in the world. For Ben and Sarah from Fashionphile, I would do anything. Oh, I just felt that one. Oh, oh my God, I don't want to get emotional. I would like to thank today's video sponsor, brand partnership, and that is the one and only Fashionphile. I am getting emotional. I don't really get emotional. I am kind of like a piece of cardboard. Wow, oh my God. Whew, I hope I'm not pregnant. I think I'm mostly just emotional about it because I wouldn't come back here and film again. I didn't want to get involved in collaborations. I didn't want to get involved in influencer brand partnerships and things like that. And when I spoke to marketing and marketing reached out to me from Fashionphile, there is no way on earth I would ever say no to them. I would never say no to Sarah, ever. Ever. This came up and I just was like, I'm there. I am 100% there. Since day one. Since day one, that company, I am by their side. And if you've watched me for this long, listen to me. Okay, taking a break, coffee break. I will be back. Oh my God, I hope I'm not pregnant. Okay, we gathered ourselves. Wow, emotional much. If you don't already know, Fashionphile is the leading #1 luxury consignment company. Fashionphile is on the ground and is far more successful because of its quality, which is second to none. Trust me, they underrate beyond belief, and their complete step-by-step way of purchasing and way of selling. And you just have complete guarantee the whole way through, and that's all that matters at the end of the day. So emotional because of how incredibly proud, that's what it is. And I think if you're with a company in this day and age of marketing and social media influencing, and our voice and the power that our voice has and the trust that you guys have with us, because you see us spend our money and go take a flight over to the head offices and see the actual businesses like Fashionphile and take you with us, with me, and you see it through my eyes. And I think that to be with the company, oh my God, I'm getting emotional again. What is happening? To see the company build in this way, and I am proud because it isn't just 0 to 100. It was literally beautiful strategy growth. We had the huge break in between with COVID, and their clever intel of online and how incredibly clear and precise their process is of authentication. Not only entropy, having their own entire team for authentication, and to really put that trust, that absolute trust, because that's what it is these days, especially with all this crap that's been going on. I don't want to talk about it. It's all lies. It's just propaganda. It's politics propaganda. Don't believe it. I know it's everywhere, but that's social media. To put the trust in it that Fashionphile do is just next level. So if you don't know, I have been a Fashionphile blogger for what seems like nearly my entire career on YouTube, which is 14 years this year. They came on board a little bit after I started. They had the business around the same time I kind of started, actually, since when I opened my shop, so 2007, 2006, 2007, and they grew it from there. They literally grew it from their garage, a kind of like Amazon style, to their own like literally showroom boutiques now, where you can go in, you can go through the catalog online. They were my first consignment store I ever bought from. I bought from eBay. I was scared shishless. I truthfully was. I had no idea. Okay, we're talking a decade ago. I had no idea, and it was so new. So to find them and then to obviously create a relationship with them, and I'm getting emotional again, what is going on? I'm so proud, and you should know I'm proud, because I wouldn't do this. I wouldn't set sponsorship, I wouldn't set brand partnership if I wasn't 100% in love with this company, which I am. So in saying that, this is the next thing I'm kind of like freaking out about. I'm freaking out, I am. If you watched my last luxury picnic with Miss Deb, Wild Unfiltered, hi Deb, she told me not to do this, but I did it. It's okay, we're doing this together, but I did it. So, down inside this amazing box from the one and only Fashion File is a bag, is a handbag. Purchasing from this company, it will always come in their Fashion File dust bags, straight up. You will open it and it will be in a Fashion File dust bag, not flailing around in some box. If it came with its own dust bag or came with a box, it will be stored correctly, wrapped in bubble air paper, like exactly like that, and stored correctly. That is your first tick. This courier delivered. First tick. Perfectly. Tracking number. Second tick. All the way to my door with the courier. Yes, please. I am so nervous. I am so nervous. Give it away. Ready? Oh no. Oh no. Fashion File. What have we done? What have we done? Oh my gosh. So, from Fashion File, and this actually came from their New York showroom, so you can see where each item off the website is actually placed, because they now have showrooms and cages, storage cages, security cages in those areas, which you're so lucky if they have one in your area. Go visit them, because it's amazing, especially walking through the cage. You may have seen some of those TikToks walking through the cage of like the Birkin aisle. It takes your breath away. And if you watch that TikTok like, oh yeah, it's not that amazing, it is that amazing. I have had the privilege of being in the cage. Sarah walked me through the cage. It is out of this world. So this actually came from New York. We can already see the dust bag, the beautiful plush dust bag. Vuitton, they should all be like this, with the blue Louis Vuitton stitching across the front and the blue cord. Look how neatly they have this all packaged. Honestly, it's just all done to perfection. It really, really is. Oh my gosh, are we ready to see what we grabbed from Fashion File? Oh my god, I just caught a glimpse of it. Let me get it out straight. Oh no. Oh no, stop. Oh my god, stop, Deb. Deb. Oh my god. Oh my god, Deb. She said don't touch it. Oh my god. Pharrell, honey, give me a call, sweetheart. Oh my god. Holy crumbs. I'm not kidding. You have got to get out of here. Is this made of lambskin? Oh my god, I can't stop. I'm going to sleep on it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So I can't speak, clearly. Oh my god. Okay, so as you can see, this is the Speedy P9 in the Speedy 25 bandolier, so strap, size. I did look at it online. I did look at it on their site in the 30 in the green, the forest green, but it's sold. Like when I went back to check, it was gone. It was like, find another, because the green is so hot. And the 30 size is very, very popular, obviously, because it's just bigger size and bigger bags are back in. Plus it's a Speedy 30. It's totally classic. And oh my God. If you hear everyone rave about touching these, go and touch it. I haven't. I didn't even look at it. The last time I was in the boutique was with Meredith, the queen of P9s, and now I see why, babe. But the time I was in there before shopping, I made my new sales associate in the city, Emilio, I didn't even ask to touch one. Oh my God, Deb. This is what a fashion file purchase will look like. You will have your fashion file information circle card, and then you will have like your air tag. Let's call it your fashion file air tag here, which is a security tab. Like if you went through the beepers, it would go off. It actually probably would. If you left the boutique, the showroom, it would probably go off. But if you cut this off, it's yours. So there is your security tag and your information card. So on this, we have all of the details. It's SKU, what it is, calfskin monogram, P9 Speedy in the blue, in the 25 size, and it didn't say its condition on this tag. I can have a look on the receipt proof of purchase or something. This thing hasn't even been touched. Honestly, they underrate something crazy, this company, and I know for a fact they do. All right, I know for a fact. When they are reviewing the items to list, they'll be like, that has a water stain right up here in this corner. It's only good condition. You go and get this and you're gonna be like, girl, what are they talking about? I have to just go and gush. Oh, okay. I see, Deb. I see why. Now you're addicted? Okay. Hooked. Get out of here. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, he just keeps saying, oh my God. Okay, let's get it up nice and close for you guys so you can see P9 Speedy in the blue. This is just straight blue. It doesn't have another sort of name to it. It's not like the aqua or whatever. So because this is all leather, it is just a puddle. Like I cannot even explain it to you. Pharrell designed them, unisex, but a little bit, I suppose, more masculine because this is thicker, chunkier, Vuitton leather. Like it's not thin or slim size. It's almost like a little bit more chunkier. And then it is that pre-patina that we say. Again, you can see on the site, every single thing is engraved. You've got your lock on an actual piece of metal there. Do you see the piece of metal? It's linked into it there on the side. These details are insane. So you've got the clochette for the keys inside there with a luggage tag it comes with. It is not one continuous piece of monogram leather. It is two pieces of monogram leather because it is sewn together here on the bottom. However, you have right side up monogram LVs and then upside down, but it isn't continuous, which is really quite interesting. You can see that this leather tab with Louis Vuitton Paris there, it has the big sort of hole to go through the lock and stop there on the side. So it's really quite a kind of yeah, rugged. I think that's why he like did it with, you know, the cowboy kind of theme. It's like, it's giving that. It's giving like rugged, thrown on the back of a horse type vibe. And that's what his runway was really, with all the absolutely gorgeous models like in their cowboy hats and boots carrying these. This is a beautiful smooth zipper, which you can see there. Let's go inside. It will be beautifully stuffed with air paper, which it is. Boom. We can see straight down inside there. We have the strap, which is far, far more sturdy and heftier than the regular Speedy 25 bandolier, which I have. It's far, like it's a thicker, not thicker in the sense, do you know what I mean? Not thicker like this, thicker like that. thicker and much heavier hardware. It's really heavy, it's dusted, and then you have the shoulder pad, like it's not a brake, but the shoulder pad to go on your shoulder like so. And then the cutest part with the P9 is it comes with its own little clay, like an own little pouch. Oh my god, the details. Stop. Okay, so it has an LV embossed there and beautiful. This is zippers, guys. Oh my god. Am I raving enough? Can you tell? I'm freaking out. Deb told me not to touch this. And look. And then the inside is just got Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France, stamped inside there because it is leather lined. We have the D-ring on this side for your little clay, and then there's so much going on the inside, which if you've seen other videos, you'll know that. You have the huge zipper pocket, pretty much one side to the other. There is the pocket inside. Again, doesn't even look used. I've heard this is what makes it quite heavy. Pharrell just went for it, girl. He just went for it. Look, he's putting a certificate. He's putting a trophy. He's putting his Olympics, the Olympic swimming plaque. Pharrell, the sun is shining on us, P. That's so cute. He is very gorgeous and very spiritual. Like so. So you can just put your items in that, zip it up, throw it in, and you've got this big sloppy. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. There was a reason I was not meant to touch this bag. Trust Fashion File. Oh my gosh, and honestly, I want to go and check what this was listed as. There you go, very good. Nah, Fashion File. There's nothing very good about this. Very good from any other consignment store has got wear and use. I've told you for all these years, this company underrates their items. So if you see an item for good or very good and you're a little bit like, oh, maybe it's got a lot of watermarks on the vachetta, this thing doesn't even look used. I don't even see any wear on. Scour the pictures, scour, look in, zoom in. You can get right in close on all their pictures on the site. You can email client services and they'll send you out more pictures. But I tell you what, I've said it for years. I feel like I'm repeating myself, but they underrate their items. This has not been used. Well, I'm going to end this video with my beautiful P9 Speedy and my Fashion File Hydro Flask. I want to thank them. Oh my god, I'm not going to cry again. What is happening to me? I might have to go and take a pregnancy test. I'm not kidding. I don't know why I'm crying so much. I am just so emotional because I am so proud. That is why I am so proud of this company. I am so proud of Sarah and Ben. They know what they mean to me. I know what they think of me. We are just ride or die. I think when you've been with a company as long as I have with Fashion File, and you guys knowing, you know, and hearing me talk about them and trusting me talk about them and then seeing the results of that. Not trusting an influencer or a YouTuber talk about a company and then seeing, you know, being a bit iffy and worrying or whatnot because you're putting your money into it. It's the longevity of the relationship that's making me emotional. I don't know what it is. I just all of a sudden just came over me, okay? I don't quite know what it is. The most trusted, the world's most trusted and growing beyond belief. Watch this space. I bet you London might see a pop-up showroom soon. I bet you any money. I can just tell. I know what way they work. I know what way they work, and they are amazing. Okay, London, watch this space for sure. So thank you so much to today's video sponsor that I did not think I would ever say again, but the one and only Fashion File. I would do anything for you. I just would. And that's what this is. I'm getting teary again. I've got to go because I feel like I'm just going to cry. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. We will style this. We will do something because trust me, I am in love. absolutely in love. Take care, guys. Peace.